Let's talk about CineUltra, my current favorite movie and TV show player on the Vision Pro. I've been using it to watch some of my TV shows and saved videos from my Plex library. The best thing about it is all of the features supported. For example, there are 2 theater environments for you to watch stuff in. The huge cinema one is my favorite since you can move to any seat and change different environment settings. There's a 3D AI feature that works well, a bit jittery but still cool to add some depth to your favorite movies. The 3D AI effect is also applied in a fun way to the show banners and actor photos. In addition, there's an AI image enhancement option, which in my experience doesn't make much of a difference other than some sharpening and brightening of colors. I think my favorite feature has gotta be the ability to change the angle of the screen. This is perfect for when you're laying in bed and want the screen to be on the ceiling. The UI is very clean overall and everything's really quick to load in my experience. Finally, there's Blu-ray ISO support, so you can rip your discs onto a computer and then play them on CineUltra. Unfortunately, a lot of these features are locked behind a subscription. $5 monthly, $20 yearly, and $50 lifetime. Kinda costly, but there is a 3-day free trial if you want to try it out. Anyways, that's all for today, but make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and take care.